2, 3.
Say it, but when you launch it, it's like
What'd it make?
I think 455.
Okay. You got your form, right? Yeah. Okay. Did it go down?
533.
Fuck. Fuck. 548. 444. Why are you so worried?
Covering my ears?
What are you guessing?
840.
650.
He ran 910 before.
I was
On a
on
smaller pulley. He's on a bigger pulley now.
bigger means less.
Less, exactly. So that's why I'm guessing 840.
But he didn't beat me that bad, so there's no way he's making that much power.
He didn't beat you that bad?
No.
I saw him pull out in front of you.
It was like a bus. But it wasn't like 900 horsepower bus.
Okay. What are you guessing then? 600?
650.
650.
$776. 699 torque. Damn. What'd it make?
310. Less and less and less. Keep sober.
Damn. That is not the case, bro. No. Let me zoom in on the choncha. One of the little square boxes in there have Phillips and flatheads.
This one?
That might be it.
You got it?
This one.
All right, careful.
That one's got Phillips, flatheads, and all that.
Joel, this computer's all ready for whenever.
You like it?
Yesterday, the video I rewatched was you and Oleg when I wasn't there with the front pipe.
Oh.
I was watching that video.
Bunch of sex jokes and shit.
Yeah, this, and then we'll just pull this out, pull that out, and then there's a sensor right down there we gotta unplug.
Look at that blue, bro.
Look at the brown, bro. From the back, because the sun's hitting.
That brown ass.
Brown ass.
Yeah, baby.
424.
Fucking A. I wish I was cool.
I gotta go though. I'll catch you next time. I did. Ooh, Eddie, what you think?
Some mathematics.
Are you playing me?
No, that's yours. Is he capping us?
I think he's capping.
He's capping us. We don't even know what that means, but we heard a guy say it.
It sounds cool.
We're like, what's that mean? Dude, get out of here.
Huh?
There you go.
True race cars.
Oh, he got it though.
You got it?
Yeah, he got it. 208.
208. I win. I said 210.
Huh? Yeah.
I think so.
I did not expect it to sound like that. All right, who wants a gap after this? $601. 601. Am I good? How it runs should be in the 550.
How it runs, it should be.
It
But
should. I would say 450.
I'm thinking 470.
470?
Chris?
Say 450.
450.
Thinking 445.
445?
451.
451. All right. Hey, Donzie, what's it gonna make?
450.
Whoa.
550.
That's too high. 450. 475. I'm going with
465.
470.
480. We'll see. What do you think? Christian? 455?
Huh? I get a good discount. What do you think Joel's gonna do?
Honestly, I want to see 475. I want to see. And I think he's going to get it.
I'm going to interrupt the video real quick, guys. I want to make it very clear that the dyno did not have any issues. We thought that it was overheating due to the 20 plus cars we dynoed that day, but it was actually the vacuum line from the intake manifold going to the blow-off valve. It actually popped off, and we had a major boost leak, obviously. So every time that we tried to get a reading, it was actually making only like 250. It would spike like 459 between shifts, but obviously that's not accurate. So we ended up pulling off the car after many attempts. We thought there was something wrong with the dyno, so we actually switched over and put on one of the shop's CTSVs to make sure that it wasn't the dyno. And yeah, it ended up being the Accord, and we had no idea at that time, obviously.
Please fasten driver seat belt.
I'm not going to click that because the numbers showed a really big one.
What is up?
What's your guess?
440.
It said 480 on the thing, so let's see what it says. 475 and 450 foot-pounds. Ready? Okay, go. $478.
Made no difference?
I thought the dyno was broken.
always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you can watch some more of my content. And I will see you next time. We have a couple of tricks up our sleeves, so stay tuned and we'll see you soon.